I'm Luke Di Michiel. I'm an industrial designer with Caroma, which is Australia's largest designer and distributor of bathroom and kitchen products. And we had the pleasure of collaborating with Evostyle on the design and development of our new premium bathroom collection, the Elvire Collection. I was familiar with Evostyle through their work predominantly in the design industry with their beautiful furniture and their collaboration with Australian designers. So they were front of mind when I thought, who should we engage with for this particular project? So the key challenge with this particular range was the development of these small timber handles. So they're the element that you come in contact with and you touch and you turn. It was really important that that touch point or that connection was with the timber. We love this idea of connecting with nature. And so those timber components obviously form part of a larger assembly, and we were getting that made at a different supplier. So the key challenge was how this could all come together. Now that would normally be quite a big challenge, but Luke and the team were happy to work with us, develop various prototypes, provide us samples for testing until we got everything sorted out, finalised and resolved. Evostyle were able to use their state-of-the-art 5-axis milling machines to develop for us the turn timber components for the collection. And these included the handle mixers on the basin mixers, the wall mixers, the bath fillers, as well as the lovely little touch on our toilet flush buttons. Another key point of the range was the ability to keep a really natural finish with the timbers. We really wanted to be as true to the timber that we could be, but obviously still have a durable product that could withstand the harsh conditions of a bathroom. Evostyle were great. They had the latest available technologies in terms of finishes that provided that durability, but also in a natural, beautiful finish that really showcased the beautiful natural timber. I'm super proud of it. As a designer, it's obviously a big challenge to obviously come up with the idea and then be committed and support it and see it through the whole process. And for this particular range, that was a significant undertaking, and it took us over 2 years to bring it to market. But always this timber component on the tapware and on the flush buttons was a small but critical detail. And so the team at Evostyle believed and saw what we were trying to achieve and were supportive and gave us that encouragement to keep going and believe that we could execute this. Aside from obviously the state-of-the-art facilities that they have and their extensive product knowledge, I think the real thing that captured me was their passion. Sharing with Luke what we were trying to achieve, seeing him come on board with that, understanding it, bringing his own thoughts and influence, really just built that momentum. It was a pleasure to work with Evostyle and to share in their passion and that collaborative approach that they have with their design and manufacture.